Hi everyone, my name is civanMetin. My student ID 101441732. So, so this is my Python project. Well, I'm not really good representing person, but I will try my best. I hope I can do it. So, um, for an overview, I can tell you that the code represents a simple console-based program for managing employees and also items and purchases in a company. So it provides a menu-driven interface where users can perform various actions such as creating employees, creating items, making purchases, viewing all employees summarized, and of course, exiting the program, right? We don't need to write all of stuff, all of letters. We just need to input like as a number, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's very easy to get your result. So we have another define, the function. So this system are while loops, which is um, include inside if statement and try and except of course. And we have break and continue, which is well, the try expect is very important for me because try checks a block of code for errors, and expect also allows taking actions in case of an error in an error in the code block, right? So these two are very important for me in this function. So what actually we do? So I use also here lower method, which is if you like input here, let's say capital no, it's just gonna convert the lowercase no. It's also very nice and good for running your code. So if no, so it's just gonna break the code and you go back here, right? You're gonna display the menu. So this is how it's work. You can input employee name, number, unique number, of course, and Harley or manager is again convert to lower here. You can see, and the years worked. And if you let's say if you make like an error, let's say if you input the unique number which is not unique and it's just gonna give you an error here, which is you can see here, it's just gonna print like year worked and employee discount number must be numbers, right? Let's say you put here like letters and it's just gonna give an error because also you can see here int. So inside int we have input, which is whatever you put here, it's just gonna convert to integer actually. Yes, this is gonna be correct one. So it's basically we go to create an item page. We allows the user to input information for creating items, including unique item number, name, and cost. Also, and validates input data to ensure uniqueness and correctness. And also adds created items to the item list like this one. So we have also here another while loops with the try except if statement, which we told before, and also continue. The basically the same thing here, but at different ways. We just have here float, which is float. You can the float different numbers style like this. We use different here float because depends the item cost, right? So that's why I use float here. And also we have define another define functions. So this is a calculate discount. So it's basic math actually here. It's very basic math here. For let's say for hourly worker, it's just gonna be like a 2%, right? But for manager, it's gonna be 10%. So this is 10 actually, like this. But it doesn't matter how you write there. So it's base discounts like. It's just basic math actually. Like there is nothing to explain, but I can just tell you. I think it's maximum gonna be $200 again here. So well, basically I can tell you that it's just calculated discount for a like given employee based on their year's work, employee type, and total discounts. Like implement specific discount rules like a 2% for each year worked, up to 10, like additional 10% for manager an additional 2% for all employees, right? And limits the total discount, which I told you $200. So we have another function here, which is purchase page. I'm not really good for uh, represent stuff. That's why I'm getting stuck sometimes. Well, and again, we have the while loops here, and inside the while loops, we can see here like a four loops. It's actually loops, right? What it does. So what the for does. Let's say what this for does, right? Um, it's just refers to like it's just refers to the first element of each item in the item list. This assumes that each item in item list, like item underscore list, which is like this here. Sorry, like if like it index, that's kind of index, right? So if it's zero, like item number, if it's equal to item number, like this. So it's just gonna check if the item number matches the item number entered by user, right? This is how it's work. So it's also like a make a purchase function here. So we do like displays a list of items for purchases, prompts the user for inputs such as item number and employee discount number to make a purchase. Of course, yes. So yeah, so of course we calculates and applies discount based on the specified rules, or updates the total discounts for the employees, right? It's very easy, like based on easy, just a while loops, inside couple of for loops, and again if statement and break statement, which is we talked before, and then continue and if else. What else? Okay, display all employees summary. Okay, so this is actually, well, it's basically, you can see here that I just divide them each, like employee ID, name, type, work, purchase, discount number. Like it basically displays a summary of all employees, including their ID, name, which is I told you, like couple of their information, and provides option to go back to the menu or exit the program, which is you can see here. All right, so we have another function here. Another function here we call all employees summary page. So here we have employee list, right? While true. So again, we have a while loops here, right? Which is actually, which is like, it's make you like display a summary of all employees, right? Like it controls the flow, like for the all employee summary page, right? And also it calls display sorry, here, yeah, display all employee summary employee list is like handless user input to go back to the menu or exit the program, right? So yeah, it's basically how it's worked, like with the if elif, right? I mean, which is the other, like some different programs is called if else, like if else, like here just if elif is goes something like this. And if it's choice equal to 1 is just break, if 2 is just gonna be exit, which is very easy function to understand. And we have the last function here, main. This is also while loops. I use too many while loops actually, but I think it's more nice, usable for that program, for that project. I know I use everywhere while loops, but again, it's very nice for that project. So the main function that initiates the program, right? So uses a loop to repeatedly display the menu and prompt the user for their choice, which is here. It's a very basic function here again. It's called the appropriate function based on the user choice, right? Um, so like for an overview for the main, actually the main function initializes empty list for employees, which is employee underscore list, right? An item like here, item underscore list. The user can then navigate through the menu options to create employees, create items, make purchase, and view employees summarize. The program continues to run until the user choice to exit by selecting option 5 from the main menu here, which is you can see. This is the all things I can tell you for my project. So basically how it's work, I can tell it this. If you run the code, we're just gonna move all of them. I just want to run, and again, this is how it's work. If you want, and you can see the same thing here. Our while loops just start working. Like let's say one unique number and employee name, I will write John here, and the type I will write Harley. Let's just show you here how it's work, Harley. So see, I just write here capital, but it's convert the lowercase with the dot lower method, right? Enter year's work, let's say 10, and this kind of number, let's say unique number, let's say 2. And if I said no, it's send me the main menu, right? So you can see here, if you press the 4, you will see what we created here with the unique numbers and everything, right? We didn't create any items, so we cannot make a purchase basically. This is how it works actually. And thank you for listening to me. Thank you for your time. Have a great day and enjoy your day. Thank you for everything. Bye.